What's going on YouTube? This is Dave here from the simulcast.com, and today I want to do an unbox, setup, and demo video on the Vulkano Flow made by Monsoon Multimedia. Now, this particular unit here, this model here, the Flow, is a direct competitor to the Slingbox Solo, which retails for about $155. I'm seeing on Amazon, brand new. Again, this was $99. This has just as many features as a Slingbox Solo, except for two things, in my opinion, that really caught my eye over the Slingbox. Number one, they use one app, which costs $12.99 in either Apple Store, the App Store, or the Android Market. Now the thing is, with the Slingbox, you have to buy two separate applications depending on you have a phone or tablet. With the Vulkano, you just get one app, and it uses for any device that you have. And again, it's just to me, it's a better bargain. Basically, this is also 802.11, which is really nice. It's wireless. You don't need a sling catcher, so you don't have to. If you want to bring this up to your bedroom, you need to get a $250 sling catcher in order to use the internet connection. So that's a really nice feature. So basically, the back of the box just tells you what kind of network setup that you can do, some of the features that it offers. So as I unbox it, you can tell that the packaging is sealed very, very well. They took some considerations as they designed up the packaging. So as I open this up, basically that's the head unit right there. I'm going to show you. It comes with the manuals. It comes with the power adapter. It'll come with the component cables. It will come with the RJ45 Cat5 internet cable. Also come with the composite cables, which they give you to hook up, and the IR blaster cables, so you can change the channel from anywhere in the world, basically. So here's the head unit. It's very sleek. It has a nice rough surface. It goes with my black entertainment unit, which all my devices are black, which is really nice. There goes the logo, and then you can see all the connections in the back. Pretty standard, pretty easy. And now I'm just going to go show you how to set it up. Okay, so after we had all that set up, basically what you want to do is you want to go to the Vulkano website and download the player. Depending on what machine you have Mac or PC. That one is free. The app in the store, in both stores, are $12.99 each, which isn't really that bad. But the nice thing about it is not like Slingbox, where you have to buy two separate apps depending on having an iPad app or a tab app, a tablet, a tab, or an iPad, so on and so forth. They're both universal to either or. All right, so basically, this is supposedly supposed to be a really easy setup. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start here with the network wizard, and I'm going to choose my network, and I'm gonna put in my password. Okay, let's hit next. What's up? Okay, So, when I read the instructions briefly, it did say that if there was a firmware update, go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and update and see how long this takes. All right, so it just finished updating. So as you can see over here, this is my satellite um, dish network, I guess interface when it's sleeping. So basically, here is the cool part. Put your zip code in, and basically what it does is it finds the program guide based on your cable company, which is cool because instead of having to go into the guide through the TV here, you can use Monsoon's or Vulkano's interface to change the channels. Now this is a cool feature because with the Slingbox, you have it. For me, with my old one, my Slingbox Classic, it would lag when I try to change the channel and then look through the guide menu. So we have to check off what is Dish Network. Yeah, there it is. Dish Network, Dish Raleigh. No, Dish Network. I want to say. We'll try that and see what happens there. Okay. Please select the manufacturer name model of your STB. This information may be available at the back of the blah blah blah. Okay, so I guess I have to. Oh, it's a VIP 211. Let me go double check. Okay. It's a VIP 222K, which is the HD DVR box. Okay, so we can hit next. Okay, let me go ahead and find my remote so that I can turn the cable box on. Hold on a second. So, okay, wow, it turns the TV very quickly. Sweet. Okay, good. All right. So now that I have that fixed, got that configured. Let's turn off the audio on that. Okay. Let's try D Valley 07's Vulkano. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, it says we cannot set your router to allow watch TV, blah, blah, blah. Okay, if you want to be able to watch it, do you want to perform these steps? So I hit yes. Okay, let's do that. All right, so what we need is we're not able, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, so basically what we want to do is we want to open these ports and these ports. Okay. So let's do that. Let me go into my airport utility. We'll actually go to utilities. This is all boring stuff. I know. I'm sorry. Okay. Manual setup. And we want to go to advanced and then port mapping and go to plus. And then we are going to open 56.123 and 49.177. And we're going to do that. Okay, and then we're going to change this to 165. Let me just make sure that's good. blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that's good. And we will call this Vulkano. Easy. Done. Update. And then this is going to take a minute to reboot the router. Okay, there it goes. Just rebooted. So let's test it. Okay, good. Works perfect. All right, so now we hit finish. So that was fairly easy to open the ports. You just got to make sure that both of those UDP and TCP ports are forwarded to those specific numbers and to the Vulkano's IP address that the router has given it. All right, so I guess we'll do some tests because I did download the app on my Galaxy Nexus. And I don't know if I downloaded it on my actually, you know what, dude, let's set the quality, best possible quality. Okay. Probably gonna have to mess around with this. This also, I mean, this has tons of stuff. I may have to do some videos on some other stuff. DVR function, recording function. You can do. This is kind of like the HPV POG, whatever you want to call it. So you can record gameplay. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with this. This is really amazing. Component. Let's go back to component. All right. Why is doing that? Oh, I probably. Well, you know what? I'm gonna mess with this and then. Okay. And then, oh yeah, look at that. Check that out, guys. That's very nice. Use this without any lag. So let's check out cheaters. Changing the channel. Very cool. All right. That aspect is really irritating me. So let's fix that. I need to fix that. Nope. All right. So, well, you know what? I'm just going to exit this out, and then I'm going to do it on the Galaxy Nexus in the tab. And I'm on Wi-Fi, by the way, as you can see right here. I can do a test on 4G when it comes out. Okay, okay, yeah, it's fine. Well, that sucks. Okay, so I need to change this aspect ratio. Okay, okay. So you have original, SD, HD, zoom, fit screen, and you can see up here the kilobits. So let me just let me put this to HD. And I want to see. You can see that the kilobits are moving up. Let's try the guide. Okay. Browse by channel. This is pretty cool. I like this. I don't really know what's on at this time. I guess I'll just put this on. I don't know about all this. This is like. Guess what? You know, this may take a little Okay, you know what it probably was? Okay, so let's try this now. Because sometimes when I hit that program guide thing, it doesn't work. So yeah, that's gonna work. All right, so quality-wise, it's not impressive so far. I'm probably gonna have to mess with the settings. I'm assuming. Video. Okay, so this is composite. I don't want composite. I want component. That's probably why my video sucked. All right, so I checked on the back of the box, and it looked like the green RCA jack from the component was unplugged. So hopefully this should work now. That's probably why the video sucked in the first place. Let's fix that. That was fixed. All right, let's change this. All right, so now you can see that the kilobits are getting higher now, and the quality is getting much better. I mean, honestly, it's super impressive. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's very clear. Basically, what I had to do was I didn't realize if you go to the menu here and you go to settings, the live streaming was on normal. So you have normal, medium, and high. Chose high, and it's so much better now. Now I'm like, okay. Let me just see if I can. I just want to see if I should change something a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna change the channel here. Okay, to something a little bit better. What the hell is that? Okay. I was trying to find something that was a little bit brighter for you guys to see, but let me see if I can. You can see already you're at almost 1834 kilobits and still rising. This is very good. This is the kind of quality you get when you're on your computer. I mean, can you see that? It's very nice, very nice. I'm gonna go. Let's go ahead and check the tab. All right, so basically what we want to do is go back home. I want to change this to the, where is it? Streaming quality high. Okay, then we can go back and go back to live TV, and then enable the HD from there. Alright, so what we have to do is we have to go HD. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a moment for the kilobits to jump up here. They'll be jumping up a little bit more. Okay, it just jumped up to 1200, 1230, 1468. It's gradually going up. 1691. Already it looks fantastic. 1743. It's getting high. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the difference in this now. 1952. Yeah, it's very impressive now. You just gotta mess around with it, and everything will be. I mean, it looks really good on the tab as well. There's no lag on it like I had with my classic. I don't know about the solos and the HD Pro or whatever it's called for the Slingbox, but this looks very good, very good. I'm very impressed, and it's not the frames per second aren't limited like the Slingbox was. So. All right, I'll play with it some more. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mess around with the recorded the DVR settings and stuff like that. Um, I know that you can add an external hard drive to this. I'm gonna try to do that and figure that out and do a video on that so you guys can check that out. But the quality on this is very good for $100 brand new. You really can't go wrong. This is really a good buy. All right, so Dave here from simulcast.com. I will see you later. Peace.